Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today, we are sharing the secrets of making different shapes of pastries that will make your tables look more delightful and appetizing. Pastry making is an art that requires some skill and patience, but with our detailed explanation, we'll make the task easier for you. The first step is to prepare the dough. The basic ingredients are 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 egg. Mix the flour with the sugar, salt, and yeast in a large bowl. Then add the warm water, olive oil, and egg, and knead the ingredients together until you get a smooth and cohesive dough. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rise for an hour until it doubles in size. After the dough rises, we start with the shaping stage. Here are some shapes you can try. Asterisk, asterisk, croissant. Asterisk, asterisk. Roll out the dough into a rectangle, cut it into triangles, place a small piece of butter in the center of each triangle, and roll it from the wide end to the pointed end. Asterisk, asterisk, cinnamon rolls, asterisk, asterisk. Roll out the dough into a rectangle, spread it with melted butter, sprinkle sugar and cinnamon, roll it into a log, and cut it into slices. Asterisk, asterisk, stuffed pastries. Asterisk, asterisk. Cut the dough into small circles. Place your favorite filling, cheese, thyme, minced meat, in the center. Fold the dough into a half circle and press the edges with a fork. To maintain the shapes and prevent them from losing their appeal during baking, follow these tips. Use flour on the surface while rolling out the dough to prevent it from sticking. Ensure the dough is well risen before and after shaping. Bake the pastries in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until golden brown. For a golden finish, simply brush the pastries with beaten egg mixed with a little milk before baking, which gives them a shiny and appetizing golden color. In conclusion, we hope you enjoy this recipe and try it at home. We love to see your creations and shares in the comments. Thank you for your continuous support and following. Don't forget to follow us for more delicious recipes and ideas. Bon appetit!